Renting this Canon R6 has reminded me of just how important the physical feel of the camera is. Because if you're not inspired to pick that camera up and take a lot of photos, well, you're probably not going to take a lot of photos, and that's a shame because these cameras are certainly not cheap. So this is the first day I've had this R6, and coming from a Nikon Z6, what came to my mind was it's a totally different feel in the hands. It's more chunky and rounded, whereas the Z6 is a bit more sculpted and chiseled. But some may prefer one or the other. I think they're simply different. These two do feel really good in my hand. Not quite as good as the X1D Mark II, but you know, that's a different can of worms. That's a beautiful camera, is what it is. But what I'm getting at is it is also so important, the feel, because let's face it, any camera these days can take such good photos with only minute differences that if your photos are not coming out very well, it's you.